Scene. With mydlink, you can set the scene of your home by just tapping on the home screen. Home scene. Set the scene when you're home. Turn on all the lights via smart plugs and switch your cameras to privacy mode so that you can enjoy your smart home as soon as you walk in. Away scene. Monitor your home while you're out. Turn all the cameras on and set automations to be triggered by events. Control your devices remotely through mydlink. Sleep scene. Set the scene before bedtime. Turn off all your lights via smart plugs and turn your outdoor cameras on for monitoring so that you can enjoy a peace of mind while you rest. To configure your scene settings, you must first set up a device or an automation rule. Please refer to the automations video for more information. Begin by launching the mydlink app. Access your mydlink app menu by tapping the menu button. Tap Scenes in the menu. To add a new scene, tap Start. Select a scene to configure. There are 3 options available. In this example, we are going to configure the away scene. You can set device actions or automation rules to add to the scene. Tap Next to continue. Choose whether the automation rule or device action turns on, off, or does nothing when the scene is activated. Tap Save to confirm your settings. To add more device actions or automation rules, tap the plus icon. To switch between your scenes, tap the switch icon, then choose the scene that you wish to activate.